Hello students, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. Today from mathematics subject whole numbers topic we are going to continue. So in our previous videos level 1 questions we have completed regarding state level, nation level previous Olympiad questions. So today we are going to discuss the problems of level 2 worksheet. Okay, chalo. 59th question. 59th question. So what is the question here? 1 minute. So if A into B equals to 0, then already we have this type of questions already we have discussed. If A into B equal to 0, so what is the correct answer? Either A equal to 0 or B equals to 0. So A may be equals to 0, B equals to 0, or both A and B may be equal to 0. Here A is not equal to 0, wrong. Sometimes A may be 0, B is not equal to 0, wrong. Either A 0, B 0, correct. Neither A 0 nor B 0, wrong. So only C option is the correct answer. Next. Multiplying a negative integer for odd number of times gives a dash result. Multiplying a negative integer. We are multiplying negative integer. Suppose let it be minus x. For odd number of times means like this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1 minute. 4, 5. So 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. If we multiply negative integer odd number of times, so then what happens? So minus into minus, plus into minus into minus, plus into last 1 minus is there. Again plus into plus, plus into minus, plus into minus, minus. So ultimately we will get negative number, negative integer. So whenever we multiply negative integer odd number of times, we will get negative integer as a result. If we multiply even number of times, then we will get positive integer. So option B is the right answer. Next. So a man walked 3 kilometers towards north. First he went towards north, he traveled 3 kilometers. 3 kilometers. Next, 8 kilometers towards south. From here, 8 kilometers towards south. 8 kilometers towards south, downside. So then, his position at the end of the walk is, means he is starting from A, he went up to B, from B position again he came up to C. Now we have to calculate the distance from starting point to ending point. Starting point to ending point. Starting point to ending point. So we have to, his position, we have to tell about his position at the end of the walk. How can we tell his position? Based on the starting point, based on the ending point, we can tell his position. So here upwards 3 kilometer, in B to C, up to A, this part is equal to 3 kilometers. So remaining part will be equal to 5 kilometer. Means A to C distance will be 5 kilometer and C is downside compared to A, means C is in the south direction. So downside direction is considered as south direction. So the position of C compared to A is 5 kilometers towards south. 5 kilometers towards south. D option is the correct answer. Next. So if positive sign precedes a bracket, so the sign of the terms inside the bracket will dash when the bracket is removed. Suppose if we have 2 plus 3 minus 5, here 3 minus 5, it is in the brackets. Here addition symbol, plus symbol is preceding the bracket. Plus symbol is preceding the bracket. Now the question is, if we remove the bracket, what happened to the symbols or terms which are inside the bracket? No change, not change, because whenever there is a plus symbol before the bracket, we can remove the bracket and we can write the terms as it is without any change. Because of plus symbol, there will be no change in the signs of the terms which are inside the bracket. So bracket will not change. So the terms inside the bracket will not change. So A option is the correct answer. Next. If A and B are two whole numbers, then commutative law is applicable to subtraction if and only if. If and only if. Commutative law for two numbers. When we can say that commutative law is applicable? If A minus B equals to B minus A. Or A will come this side, B will go towards the right hand side. We can write A plus A equal to B plus B. Or 2A equals to 2B. 2 to cancel. A equals to B. Means this commutative law is applicable only under one condition. If and only if A equal to B. Then only commutative law under subtraction is applicable. So if and only if A equals to B. Option A is the correct answer. Next. Next, 64th. So an associative for whole numbers is satisfied with respect to which operations? With respect to which operations? So associative law already we have discussed. Associative law already in the concept we have discussed. It is only applicable for addition and multiplication of whole numbers. So D option is the correct answer. Next. So the expression 6 into B plus C is equivalent to 6B plus 6C. 6B plus 6C uses the dash property. So here 6 into B plus C is there. Here bracket is there. Into they have not mentioned. But we can keep into there. Means here B and C are associated. And here we have multiplication and addition. So how we can write it? We can distribute this multiplication for both the elements. 6 into B plus 6 into C. 6B plus 6C, like this we can write. Means both multiplication and addition are existing together, or multiplication distributed over addition. So this property is called distributive property. 65. C option is the correct answer. Next. So if A, B, C are whole numbers such that A greater than B, C not equals to 0. So then A greater than B, C not equals to 0. So then what is the correct relation? So here what is the relation? A greater than B they have given. A greater than B they have given. We have to find the correct relation among the following. So A into C, B into C less than they have given. Means If we multiply with the same number on both sides, which is not equal to 0, so then the relation will be same. The relation will continue the same. A into C greater than B into C. So B option is the correct answer. Next, 67. So here 38 plus 83 plus 38, 38 plus 83 plus 88, 38 means the order of addition is changing. The order of addition is changing, but still the result is same. Here 3 terms are there, 3 numbers are there, means 3 numbers can be added in any way. Under addition, this property is called associative. If we have 2 numbers, it is called commutative, but we have 3 numbers, so that's why it is called associative property. Next, square of any negative integer is whole square, means negative integer into negative integer. Square means multiplying the same integer 2 times. Negative integer, if it is multiplied even number of times, minus into minus, positive. Answer will be positive. B option. Next. Okay. Next question. If plus means into, minus means divided by, then the value of this one, 3 plus 4 minus 2, they have given. We have to find this value, but plus means into they have given. Means in the place of plus we have to keep into. Minus means divided by they have given, divided by 2. So we have 2 operations, multiplication, division together. Which one we have to do first? According to BODMAS rule, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So division to be done first. 3 into 4 divided by 2, 2. 3 2 times 6. 6 is the correct answer. A option is the correct answer. Next, 670 question. So one integer is greater than the other by plus 4. If one number is minus 16, then the other is what? So they have given one number as 16. So other number, let it be x. It is plus 4 greater than minus 16. Means we have to add plus 4 to minus 16. So what will be the answer? Minus 12. D option. Minus 12 is the correct answer. Next. So which of the following set of numbers will make the number sentence true? Number sentence true. Here. Please change the A option as 0, 8, 4 children. 0, 8, 4. A option, please change it as 0, 8, 4. So then 0 plus 8 plus 4 equals to 12. A option will be the correct answer. B option wrong. 30. 34 wrong. 34 wrong. 24 wrong. So only A option is the correct option, but change the option as 0, 8, 4. 0, 8, 4. Next. Which one of the following is correct? Minus 99 less than 0, correct. 0 less than 2, correct. 2 less than minus 37, wrong. minus 99 less than minus 37. Correct, because on the number line, if this is 0, minus 37 minus 99, 2 will be there. So 99 is to the minus 99 is to the left of minus 37. So it is less. In minus number, bigger number will be lesser. So minus 99 is less than minus 37. Correct. Minus 37 is less than minus 10. Less than 10. Correct. Less than 0. Correct. 0 less than 2. Correct. So B option here. Correct. Minus 37 less than 0. Correct. 0 less than 2. Correct. 2 less than minus 99. Wrong. So wrong option. So only B option is the correct option. Next. 73. Find the sum of the given expression. Find the sum of the given expression. So they have given brackets. We have to remove the brackets first. Here before the bracket there is nothing. We have to assume it is plus. We can remove the bracket because plus is there. Symbols will not change. Signs will not change. 172. We can remove plus. Signs will not change. Minus 40. Plus 5. We can remove plus. Value does not changes. We can remove plus. Value does not changes. Plus 600. Minus is there means symbol will change. Minus into minus plus 15. So this is the simplification. Let's write positive values first. 5 is there. Plus 600 is there. Plus 15 is there. Negative values. Minus 172, minus 40, minus 425, minus 275. If we add plus values, we will get 620. If we add minus values, we will get 912. Minus 912. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add means we will get minus 912. The difference will be how much? Minus 292. So D option, minus 292 is the right answer. Next, 74th question. The statement which holds correct is if n, w, I are sets of natural whole integer numbers respectively. So natural numbers is a subset of whole numbers, which is a subset of integers. So A option is correct. So 74 question, A option is correct. Integer subset of natural numbers, wrong. Whole numbers subset of natural numbers, wrong. Integer subset of whole numbers, wrong. Only the A option is correct. Next. So which of the following statement is true? Which of the following statement is true? So every whole number is a natural number, wrong. So already we discussed this type of question, children. Please do it as a homework. 75th question, do it as a homework. Next, 76. So there are 222 red balls in a basket. A boy takes out 6 red balls from it and replaces them by 12 white balls. 12 white balls. If he continues to do so till all the red balls are replaced by white balls, then the number of white balls put in the basket is. Put in the basket is. So directly we can tell actually there are total 222 red balls. He is taking 6 red balls out and keeping 12 white balls in. Means double. He is taking 6 out, 12 keeping in. He is taking 6 out and 12 keeping in. If he takes 222 out, double white balls he is keeping, then 444 he will keep in. So 444 white balls he will keep inside. So option B, 444 is the right answer. Next, the product of 64,125 by 173. It's a simple product, children, multiplication. So 73rd question, do it as a homework and find the answer. Next. So which of the following properties are not applicable to subtraction of whole numbers? For subtraction of whole numbers, which of the following properties are not applicable? Subtraction does not follow closure property, does not follow commutative, does not follow associative. So D option, all of these, all properties are not applicable for subtraction. Next. If A is divided by B, where B is not equal to 0, where B is the divisor, Q is the quotient, R is the remainder. A equal to BQ plus R. Suppose we have 2 here, we have 7, 2 3 times 6, remainder 1. So then what about the nature of remainder? Because they are telling A is divided by B, 7 is divided by 2. So this is A, this is B, this is the quotient, this is the remainder. Then what is the relation of remainder? Scapular or smaller? Remainder. So remainder, how does it lies? Remainder always lies between 0 and divisor. It may be remainder, it may be equal to 0 or it may be less than B. It may be equal to 0 or less than B. Okay. So then what is the correct answer, children? So 0 less than or equal to R less than B means remainder lies between 0 and B. Sometimes it may be equal to 0 or greater than 0 like 1 or less than B like 2. Okay. So remainder always greater than or equal to 0, less than B means lies between 0 and B, but sometimes equal to 0. So that's why we are giving 0 less than or equal to R less than B. Not equal to B. Suppose if you have 2 here, again we can divide with 2. 2 1 is 2. So that's why remainder can never be equal to B. It is always equal to 0 or greater than 0 or less than B. So C option is the correct relation. Next, multiplicative identity means in multiplication, if we multiply with what number, the value does not changes. Answer is 1. Next, product of two integers is minus 48. If one of them is minus 6, what is the other? Means x into y minus 48. If x value given minus 6, then what about y? Y equal to minus 48. This minus 6 will come down. By minus 6, minus cancel. 6 8 times 48. So answer plus 8. D option. Plus 8. Next. 82nd question. If negative sign precedes a bracket, the sign of the terms inside the bracket will dash when the bracket is removed. removed. Suppose if we have 2 minus of 4 minus 8, preceding the bracket we have negative sign. If we remove the bracket, what happens to the values which are inside the bracket? Here we have plus 4, it will become into minus 4, minus 8, it will become into plus 8, means changes, they will change. B option is the right answer. B option is the right answer. When the bracket is removed, symbols will change. Or sometimes, is there any other possibility? 2 minus of 4 into 8. 2 minus 4, 8, 32. Here also 2 minus 32. Symbol will change. Two minus, if we have 0 in the bracket, so then there may be no change. There may be no change because 0, it doesn't have any plus sign, minus sign. In that condition, there may be no change. So, because they have not given clarity, regarding the question, so we can take this answer also. Change or remain same. Change or remain same. Next. The integer which is 2 more than this expression is, means the given expression is minus 7 plus of minus 2. This is the given expression. 2 more than this given expression is equal to what? Means for this 2 we have to add minus 7 plus we are removing, bracket we are removing, plus into minus, minus 2, again plus 2, minus 7 minus 2, minus 9 plus 2 equals to minus 7. So answer A option. Next, the property satisfied by division of whole numbers. Division of whole numbers, they won't follow closure property, commutative property, associative property. So none of this is the D option, none of this is the right answer. They won't follow any property. Next, 85. So while removing brackets, the order in which brackets are removed is, so first small brackets we have to remove. Next, flower braces we have to remove. Next, big bracket we have to remove. By the name itself you can find out. Small brackets means these to be removed first. Big brackets or square brackets to be removed last. Flower braces in the middle. So C option is the right answer. Next. So which of the following is true? So already this type of question already we have got, children. So do it as a homework. 86 question. Next. So difference between the face values of 5 and 9 in this number is dash. They are asking face value. No need to see these numbers because face value of 5 is always 5. Face value of 9 is always 9. So what is the difference? 4. Option C. 4 is the correct answer. If they ask not place value, if they ask place value, then 5 is in 1000 place. You have to write 5000. 9 is in hundreds place. You have to write 900. What is the difference? 4100. But they asked face value. So C option is the right answer. So which statement is false? Positive integer greater than 0. Correct. 0 greater than negative integer. Correct. The option is true. Positive integer greater than negative integer. Correct. Negative integer less than 0. Correct. True option. 0 less than positive integer. False. Correct. Positive integer greater than negative integer. Correct. True. Positive integer greater than 0. Correct. 0 less than negative integer. Wrong. So D option is false statement because they asked a false statement. So D option is false statement. Okay children, that's all. So level 1, level 2, all Olympiad problems are completed. Okay children, that's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. Thank you. Have a good day.